All right, hey, this is JD and FIA. Today we're going to look at The Blessing. I'm going to show you how to play it. Now, this is how I would play the song on a Sunday morning. So, with that in mind, I don't necessarily got time to go look through every single note of the song. I just learned it in a way that allowed me to move on to the next song. All right, so we're in the key of B major. All right, so our B major scale. B is our 1, C sharp is our 2, D sharp is our 3, E is our 4, F sharp is our 5, G sharp is our 6, A sharp is our 7, and back to B, our 1. All right, so I'm going to show you the simple way where you can learn this song very quickly, be on about your way, and on to the next. All right, so the song's going to start off on a 1 chord. Then you're going to go to a 1 chord over a 4 chord over 1. So the 1 chord, I'm playing B, F sharp. Right hand, I'm playing B, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp. Lord bless you. All right. Then I'm going to a E major chord in my right hand. All right, you may want to play the G sharp or something. So I got B, the same B, F sharp in my left hand. My right hand, I just went to B, E, G sharp. That G sharp is optional. Lord. All right. Next chord, we're going to go to a 6 chord. G sharp minor 7. All right, left hand, G sharp, D sharp, or A flat, E flat. Right hand, F sharp, B, D sharp, or G flat, B, D, E flat. All right, so you got Lord bless you. Actually, walk like that. Keep you to that G sharp minor 7 to a F sharp at sus chord. All right, so left hand F sharp, C sharp, right hand F sharp, G sharp, C sharp. All right, then you're gonna go back to that G sharp minor chord. Then go to a E major chord. All right, that's E, B on my left hand, right hand E, F sharp, G sharp, B, and then to a B major over E flat or over D sharp. So I got D sharp in my left hand, right hand, D sharp, F sharp, B, and then to a back to that 5 chord, that F sharp, to a B major chord. However you want to play that 1 chord. All right, so that whole thing, Lord, G sharp to the F sharp suspended, to the back to the G sharp, to the E, probably wouldn't play that inversion. Probably play that inversion. So go back through it again. All right, and then when they go to the Amens, it's gonna go to the 6, 6, 4, 1. All right, so it's the same chords we've been playing, just in different order. So you're gonna play the 6, the G sharp minor 7 that we showed you earlier. Then you go to that E major chord we showed you earlier. And then you're going to go to a 1 chord, that same B major chord we showed you earlier. And then back to that same F sharp chord. So it's the same chords, just rotated different. Then same thing, on the Mayor's favor. Mayor's favor. Same chords. To the 1, So yeah, just want to get that to you. So pretty simple song. Just want to give you the basic chords of how I would play it. All right, so I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know.